Welcome to the assembly video for your Broil King infrared burner. Please use this video as a companion to your assembly manual. Now let's get started. Inside the box you should have one assembled infrared burner body, one stainless steel cooking grid, one grease pan, two grease pan supports, 4 screws, one quick connect fitting, one bezel stop, one knob adapter, and your owner's manual. Carefully remove all parts from their packaging and lay out on your workstation. You will need the following tools to assemble your Broil King barbecue: a No. 3 Robertson or Phillips screwdriver and 2 adjustable wrenches. Step 1. Lift the cover of your side burner, remove the cast iron trivet if present, and locate the 2 screws which connect the cover to the side shelf. Using your screwdriver, remove both screws and place to the side along with the cover. Step 2. Remove the cotter pin which secures the hose to the burner tube. Disconnect the burner tube from the hose. Disconnect the electrode wire from the side burner igniter. Step 3. Lift the side burner out of the side shelf. Be sure all components have been disconnected from Step 2. Step 4. You will need to attach the grease pan supports to the bottom side of the infrared burner. Use a screwdriver and the 4 screws supplied with your new burner to secure both supports. Step 5. Swap out the quick connect fitting on the side burner hose. Using 2 adjustable wrenches, remove the old fitting and then screw in the new quick connect fitting which was supplied with your IR burner. Use the wrenches to tighten. Step 6. Insert the infrared burner into the side shelf, starting with the front, and push down to lock in place. Step 7. Reconnect the electrode wire to the side burner igniter. Reconnect the side burner hose to the gas fitting and ensure the quick connect fitting is securely in place. Step 8. Slide the grease pan into place along the supports on the bottom of the burner. Step 9. Reattach the side burner cover. Step 10. Insert the stainless steel grid into the lower grooves on the infrared burner. Step 11. Remove the control knob for the side burner. Slide the knob adapter onto the shaft of the control knob. Ensure the arrow on the adapter faces up towards the top of the control knob. Remove the 2 screws which secure the control bezel to the control cover. Place the bezel stop inside the control bezel with the tab at the bottom. Reattach the control bezel along with the bezel stop using the 2 screws. Reattach the control knob. If installed correctly, the control knob will now stop at half power. Now is a good time to look over your new infrared side burner, ensuring that everything is secure and in place. From there, light your infrared burner and leave it on medium-high for at least 2 minutes to burn off any residue left from the manufacturing process. Then you're ready to start searing. It's also a good time to register your infrared side burner. Please visit broilkingbbq.com today and click on the link. It's quick and easy. We'll provide you with the very best in customer support, recipe ideas, informative videos, grilling tips, and much more. Broil King. Great barbecues every time.